Body scrub. What are its benefits? And how can it be prepared? Scrub or exfoliation helps maintain the vitality and health of the skin. What are the benefits of body scrub and how can it be prepared at home? Body scrub removes dead skin cells and gets rid of them. This is due to its components, which include particles of either salt or coarse sugar. Here is the most important information about body scrub. Benefits of body scrub. Using a body scrub will bring you the following benefits. One, promotes blood circulation to the surface of the skin. 2, removes dead skin cells from the surface of the skin, urging cells to regenerate. 3, it works to soften the skin. 4, helps get rid of hair under the skin. 5, makes your skin more radiant and fresh. 6, it stimulates the production of collagen in the body, which contributes to protecting the skin from wrinkles and signs of aging. Seven, it is a great way to relax and feel calm. 8, it improves the effectiveness of the body's absorption of creams and ointments. How often is it recommended to use body scrub? It is not recommended to use scrub every day, as this irritates the skin and makes it more sensitive and drier in some cases. But it is possible to use a body scrub once or twice a week. If you have dry or sensitive skin, you may only need to use a body scrub once a week. Types of body scrub. Here are a variety of body scrubs that can be made and prepared at home. One, Dead sea salt scrub with citrus peels. To prepare this body scrub, here are the ingredients and steps. The ingredients, it includes all of the following. 1/2 a cup of fine sea salt, 2/2 a cup of olive oil, 3 a teaspoon of lemon, orange, or grapefruit peels. How to prepare it is done by following each of the following. One, put 1/2 a cup of sea salt in a bowl, then add olive oil to it. 2, sprinkle the rind of the citrus fruit and add. 3, apply the mixture on your body before taking a shower, and rub it gently in circular motions. 2. Coffee scrub. There is scientific evidence that caffeine may help reduce the appearance of cellulite. Coffee is also a gentle scrub to get rid of dead skin. Here are the ingredients and method for preparing a coffee scrub. The ingredients, you need the following components. 1/2 a cup of coffee, 2 tablespoons of hot water, 3 tablespoons of warm coconut oil. How to prepare it is done by following. 1. Add coffee to hot water or mix them well. 2. Add coconut oil to the mixture. 3. Apply it on your body before showering. Three. Brown sugar scrub. Sugar is more gentle on the skin than salt, as sugar breaks down the layers of dead skin.
Smooths the surface of the skin, and also keeps the skin moisturized. Ingredients you need the following: 1/2 cup of sugar or brown sugar. 2 1/2 cup of any oil, whether olive, coconut, or other. To prepare, follow the following in order to get this type of body scrub. 1. Mix sugar and oil in a bowl. 2. Add 1 or 2 drops of essential oil. Layer it on your body. Be sure to rinse off the scrub well when you shower, as the sugar may remain on the body. Body scrub side effects. Despite the many benefits that the use of body scrub may include, there are some side effects of its use, which are 1. Irritability. 2. Redness. 3. Dehydration. 4. Swelling of the skin. Tips for using a facial scrub. 1. It is preferable to exfoliate the face in the morning, and the reason for this is that your skin cells usually renew at night when you sleep. 2. You should use a scrub that contains small granules, as large granules damage your face and rupture the cells in it. 3. You should only use the scrub twice a week, because the permanent exfoliation will damage your face. 4. Use warm water instead of hot water when exfoliating the face. 5. It is preferable to use a dry towel to exfoliate the skin. And stay away as much as possible from special peeling tools available in the market. 6. You should put a little scrub on the skin before using it. If your skin turns red, this means that the product is not suitable for your skin type. 7. You should consult a specialist before using a facial scrub. Now to the practical ways to use the scrub and scrub. First scrub or scrub is the coffee scrub. Sugar, then coffee, then add coconut oil with honey, mix them well. Secondly, a lip scrub: coconut oil, honey, sugar, mix well. Third, a body and hand scrub. 2 tablespoons of oats, then 2 tablespoons of ground rice, then a tablespoon of cinnamon, then 2 tablespoons of coffee, then bitter almond oil, then olive oil, then milk. Salt. Fourth, scrub or scrub for the feet: salt, then apple cider vinegar, then add them to warm water and put the feet for half an hour. Then we peel them, then sugar, then white vinegar, then lemon and olive oil, then separate the feet and then wrap the feet in plastic wrap with socks. Fifthly, a mask or scrub to lighten the face and remove the effects of acne and pigmentation. We add powdered milk with starch, then oats, then yogurt, then stir them, then put them on the face for 15 minutes. Last mask with us and exfoliator in the scrub group is for the face. A spoonful of powdered milk, then a spoonful of yogurt, then a spoonful of green tea, stir them together and put them on the face for 15 minutes. Today's skincare video has ended with the best exfoliating scrub and face mask. Wait for the rest of the skincare course and the best peels. The next video. Bye.